All right, so we saw how we can use DCC to form our amides. However, that doesn't resolve us of all of our issues. So again, let's take a look at our relatively simple amino acids. We've got glycine right here, GLY, and then alanine, ALA. And so the issue is that both of these have amines and carboxylic acids. And in addition, right, it's not like we just have one molecule of each. We've got, moles of each one of these molecules. And so not only can they react with each other in different ways, they can react with themselves as well. So if you think about it, they can combine in up to 4 different ways. For example, we could have a glycine form a peptide bond with an alanine, or we could have the other way around. We could have the alanine first, then the glycine, or they could react with themselves, right? So you could end up with 2 glycines or 2 alanines, or even more than just 2, right? You could have a polypeptide form when all you want is just a dipeptide. And so how do we get around this issue? It's relatively simple. We just use protecting groups. So for example, right, you've got your amino acid over here with its carboxylic acid. And then another amine. And so what you do is you take one of your amino acids, say you want to form this bond, right? So we want to form our peptide bond in this fashion. That way we have glycine and then alanine. So how do we prevent the other amine and the other carboxylic acid from reacting? We simply put protecting groups on it, right? So we put a PG over here and then a protecting group as well over here. And then that'll ensure that we only have one possible combination and that that combination is only a dipeptide and not anything further. So only possible combination. Combo. And so generally the steps in these syntheses are: first, you protect both of your groups. Then you undergo the reaction and form your peptide bond. And then you deprotect. And after that, you've got your dipeptide. And then, of course, if you want to go further, you could expand it beyond a dipeptide.